Bali.
Where are you from?
I see you on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
Bali vlog.
Bali travel vlog. That's me.
$1 men just pack up 6-7.
Enjoy your holiday. Where do you come from?
Adelaide.
I got a lot of too many brother in Bali. Oh, next month. That's good. Thank you for information, brother.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali in Garlic Lane. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hey today. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the social right there at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. Check it out. Hello guys, hey today. Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And today I start my video from the north part until the south area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay, let me show you around here. Oh, this is Ambiente Spa. Also recommended because my viewer Chris from Australia that told me this spa is quite good. The therapist also professional. Hello, welcome to Bali. Hello. Wow. Busy, isn't it? That's good. And as I told you, I make videos start from the north area until to the south area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Yeah, so this is Padma Street over there. Let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. And as usually I start my video from the north until the south part because around this time the sun behind me. So for better quality. Wow, big shopping. Big shopping. That's good. See? Wow, a lot of tourists doing shopping over there. It's good. And today maybe I will meet $1 man because my viewer Mark Fleming, I think he wants to see $1 man. Hello. Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Oh really? Oh, thank you very much. Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry, brother. Wow, you're very tall, brother. 210? Wow, so good. So over there, it's quite busy, isn't it? Okay, let's continue walking at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So beautiful today. The weather just super amazing. Sorry. You see, across the street at the restaurant, future is over there too. Wow, busy, busy, busy. Hello. Welcome to Bali. See that? Wow, amazing. Okay, now we are at the central shopping area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali to you too.
Welcome to Bali.
Where are you from?
I see you on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
Bali vlog.
Bali travel vlog, that's me.
You do a good job.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, since the pandemic, I start to make video.
Alright.
Where about Australia? Where about?
Adelaide.
I'd
I
like.
used to live in Darwin for 22 years.
Uh-huh.
and now I live in Adelaide because I retire. I have
Wow.
slack attack.
Oh, wow. From the north to the south area in Australia.
Yeah, it's very cold at the moment, so we're here.
Really?
Warm. Yes. It's
Wow.
winter.
Winter.
Yes.
So it's okay for you with the weather here?
Oh,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Because from cold area to be hot area, is it fine?
It's fine.
That's
yes.
good.
That's why we came to get warm.
Easy for you to fly to Bali, not for us.
Yeah.
Because my money for small, that's the reason.
Yes.
So how many times you been Bali before?
About 40 or 50.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Unbelievable. He lives here.
Only 2 hours from Adelaide, from Darwin.
Oh, Darwin, yeah.
Yeah, we were there for 20 years, so
Uh-huh.
2 or 3 times a year we always came.
Oh,
Very small flight,
yeah.
but now
Short.
5 hours.
Yeah, long flight now.
Yeah.
Last time I also have a customer from Australia. They stay in Darwin, working for the mining.
Yes.
2 week working and off flight to Bali,
Yes.
and back again another 2 week.
and then back to Bali.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, thank you very much. I'm really happy you're watching my video.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, yeah?
Have a good day.
Thank you, brother. Bye bye. I put your face on the at the front.
Good looking face, though.
Oh, thank you, brother. Wow, they're watching my video. Wow, busy. A lot of tourists, they are doing shopping now. That's good.
Yep.
Yep. Good, mate. All good, mate. All good, mate.
Well, have you just suddenly say scale, darling?
Busy, eh? It's good. You see, tourists everywhere. They are doing shopping here. Woohoo. Hello, how are you? Yeah, busy. Sorry, no problem. You're right, mate. Wow. A lot of tourists, they are doing shopping here. Wow, busy. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, a lot of tourists at Suriwati. This is happy restaurant, happy cafe. This is also on the beach. Also on the beach. Across the street there is a local restaurant. The local restaurant is always busy over there. Wow, busy, isn't it? That's good.
Hello,
Big boss. Bloody wanker. He's bloody wanker. Hello, how are you? Happy shopping, yeah? Love it. Busy. That's good. What about $1 man? Is he in there? This is the shop for $1 man over there. Hello. Wow, looks so busy inside. That's good. A lot of tourists have $1 man. Mike filming. He is $1 man. Just fuck off. $1 man. Ya, ada penggemarnya nanya $1 man.
$1 man, just fuck off. 6, 7. Say, brah.
There's the $1 man over there. That's good. $1 man. Wow. $1. I feel like the weather is just so beautiful today. Even sunny, but not really hot actually. See? Wow. Tourists everywhere. They are doing shopping here. That's good. This is a restaurant. Lunchtime, wow, busy. Busy. Wow, that's good. Loaded trees at the restaurant. That's good, isn't it? What about Billy's Sport Bar? Billy 69?
Yes.
Just right here.
Yeah.
Always busy, the bloody wanker.
61.
61. 69. Hello. Wow.
7.
68.
No.
Busy. That's good.
Busy.
Always busy all the time. Billy's Sport Bar.
Welcome to Billy 69, Mike.
Yeah, I told me time before. My YouTube. Okay. Enjoy your holiday. Where do you come from?
Adelaide, South Australia.
At the bottom. I got a lot of customer from Wollongong, Aladala, around that part.
Yeah, cheers,
Wow. Your brother?
No, brother from
Another mother. Okay, yeah? Enjoy your holiday, brother. I say, wow, this is good. Woohoo. Just shopping. That's good.
Hey, how are you, brother?
All good, brother. Been long time not see you. Huh? How was it? Good?
Yes, many brother. Very bad.
Yeah, I got a lot of too many brother in Bali. We know each other, so that's my brother. No problem. Just make YouTube actually. I just walk around, make video for YouTube. I will upload it tomorrow because I got a customer. They watching my video. Yeah, just still like 6,000 followers. Not much yet, but YouTube pay me. This is helping me.
I'm the oldest shop in town, all the music shop in town.
Oh, right there.
Been here for 32 years in the shop. I spent 10 years in Sydney.
Oh, really?
Michael Galinsky is my ex-boss.
Wow, that's good. No, actually I come from Bali, but yeah, this is my. I'm from Indonesia, from Madura. It's like my friend, but call like brother. Belum kabur. Wow. Actually, I just tour driver in Bali, but since the pandemic happening, no tourists. I try to make video. Not really. Belajar. Masih belajar. Thank you. Have a good day. Hah? Bos apa yan? Oh, Baligong. Halo. Ayolah. Yeah, they're shopping here. My brother from another mother. Well, across the street, also a few trees over there. Not bad. Quite busy. Hi, brother.
What are you doing?
Just make YouTube, brother. Because every day I make YouTube for update session in Bali.
Oh, nice.
So a lot. Australian Muslim, they're watching my video.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
You got to come here then.
Sure. Around here all the time.
Yeah.
How long you been Bali already? How long you been Bali already?
3 days.
Ah,
Here
just
short stay.
first time come to Bali or
No.
easy for you?
56.
Easy for you.
Yeah. No worries.
No worries, mate. So easy, mate. Wow, this is the boss shopping.
No, the boss is still in there.
Have a good day, yeah?
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your holiday, brother. Wow. Woohoo. It's really busy around here. They're just so good.
Oh, which one are you talking about? The swans or that one?
Wow. Wow, busy, busy, busy. Tourists everywhere. It's good. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. So this is our new today in Legian Bali at Garlic Lane. So what do you think? It's very busy, isn't it? Okay, guys. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's not people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woo. Busy, busy, busy. That's good. Many tourists they are doing shopping here. Oh, sorry. Wow, busy. That's good. Is that school holiday coming soon in Australia?
I don't know. My kids don't go to school yet.
Yeah, not yet. Oh, next month. That's good. Thank you for information, brother. Wow. This is Legian Art Market. So many tourists around here. That's good.
Just for you. Okay. Anything else?
Wow, a lot of tourists doing shopping. That's good.
This one?
Nah, thank you. That's okay, thank you.